Welcome to FoxLearn. In this video, I'll introduce you how to build a login window with user authentication in C#. This project uses Entity Framework Code First and DevExpress component. I'll create a new SQL database, then configure the system to connect to the SQL database. If the system connects to the SQL database successfully, it will automatically update the encrypted SQL connection into the app config file. I will create a default account to initialize the system. This account information is stored in the app config file. When you sign in with this account, you can easily initialize the UI and assign functions that correspond to the form or user control you want to open. Using the Entity Framework Code First will help me generate tables automatically if it doesn't exist when I log into the system. I will use the tables as you are seeing to grant user permissions. The users table is used to store user accounts. The functions table is used to store functions. The roles table stores the permissions group. The user roles table stores user accounts and permissions groups. The function roles table stores functions and permissions groups. The functions form allows you to easily create functions in the system. Each function you create will be assigned to the form or user control you want to open. You can also easily set icons and display styles for the functions you create. I will configure the system with tab, group, item or module styles. In a tab will contain many groups. In each group will contain items and in each item can contain module. Item is form, and module is user control. The system is designed based on ribbon form. It helps you to easily lay out your application features. The roles form allows you to create permission groups. You can easily add it directly to the grid control, then click the Save button to save your data to the SQL database. The authorization form allows you to set the functions to be used for each group permission you select. The user form allows you to create user accounts, and then assign the user rights to each permission group. For each permission group, the user will be able to use the specified features. As you can see, each time you log into your account, you will see the features that you are allowed to use. Each time you create form or user control, the system will automatically add it into the form list. I will create forms and user controls, and then I will assign the corresponding functions. This is a system framework using WinForms to help you easily develop your project. It supports plugins that allow you to easily integrate form or user control from external libraries into the system. It also integrates report design and UI design tools. The entities directory will contain all of my entity classes. The data access directory will contain all the necessary classes to help me access the data in the SQL database. I will use the repository and unit of work patterns to build the system. Repositories are classes or components that encapsulate the logic required to access data sources. They centralize common data access functionality, providing better maintainability and decoupling the infrastructure or technology used to access databases from the domain model layer. Unit of work is a pattern to handle transaction during data manipulation using the repository pattern. The AppSystem class helps you to initialize the system functions. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.